We're live on everything.
But
This kind of looks like a sell model, honestly. Just
yeah, I think
first
both the
glance.
previous day.
Yeah.
S&T at London High and S&T at the bottom too.
I'm just gonna grab a water. I'll be right back.
Very good. little little quick analysis. At least for NQ, it looks like we're drawing towards this previous day low here. So this 2 p.m. close from yesterday. Uh, we also might be drawing for that Monday's low that looked like we were going to take it yesterday, but we edged. We have a lot of stacks sell side towards the downside. Previous week low isn't too far down here. We also have previous month's low. So we'll kind of monitor price and see how we react. But so far we do look pretty weak. I do want to see lower price. We'll see. Hopefully we can frame something down in previous day low. As of right now, I don't really have any condition to go off of. We have this kind of like small 5 minute right here. Uh, yeah, so far it just looks like we're getting heavy towards the downside. So ideally off the open, I look for like some kind of manipulation, retrace or something, and then just continue downwards. See what happens. We also did that NFP release at 8:15. We took out the high and the low, so there's no data low from that today. Uh, we have 10 a.m. news as well, red folder. So ideally, I'll be looking to be hopefully out of the market before 10, so I don't have to wait on that news to happen. But if we're slow before 10, then we'll have to wait and see what that does.
Alright. I'm back.
But
Alright, fellas. Let's run it.
okay.
Does the indicators work on NAS 100? Yeah, works on CFDs. Yeah, I'm waiting for market open to take something.
last 15 minutes of the leg is gonna get inverse probably
Yeah.
all the way to the left. 30-minute also, and then we inverse the hourly on this leg.
Let me check the hourly. Oh yeah, we did. That's a nice inverse, honestly.
Yeah. ES hasn't, but I mean, like, ES is lagging. Kind of feel like we'll just go lower and invalidate the divergence. We'll see.
Low key, bro. Today we might. Honestly, bro. Today might be the day that we, pick up some puts and market open.
I would have to fucking deposit and donate to
Oh
Robinhood.
no, then that's fine. But honestly, just looking at like the higher time frame, right? Looking at all the low resistance liquidity, we're coming out of
Yeah.
the 4 hour here. We have. Do we have SMT at the top? I don't think we do. But
We
we're
just have
coming.
S&T at London. That's it.
Yeah, we're coming out of the 4 hour. We have all the low resistance liquidity that we built up. I really think that we, just slice through all of it today.
Yeah, I think so. I just want to see previous day low at the least.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, once we get there, then probably go for the rest of it.
Yeah. The indicator name is IFVG Ultimate Plus. It's in the middle of your screen. If you check the pin video, you can purchase it right there through the pin video. Do you use YM for SMT or only yes? Nah, I use YM as well. Opinion on gold and silver. It's super volatile right now. Just lower down your risk. Top Step just made it so that you can't trade. The amount of contracts you're allowed like properly per account. They just lowered down the risk, which is kind of crazy.
Garbage.
Yeah, bias is probably bearish today. I'm leaning bearish coming into the market open. Yo, so you're just gonna skip past my question. What was your question, bro? I use ICC and currently in eval. Keep getting fake breakout. Any advice? I'm not sure what ICC
Wait for the S&Ts to happen.
Yeah,
I don't know if ICC uses. I think it's just another term for like ICT. I'm not sure, but like if you're getting caught on fake breakouts, just wait for that manipulation to happen first.
Yeah.
Against whatever pair you're trading. So if you're trading Nasdaq, like wait for your ES or Nasdaq to make divergence,
Agreed.
and then play your entries off of that.
T-Best, if you want us to copy the indicator, just check our pin video, most recent video on our page. Yo, D, can you mind just muting yourself, bro?
You can use 10 different prop firms and have up to 10 accounts for each prop firm. Most of the prop firms are going to allow you to have, but if the option is.
Yeah, I was about it too.
I don't think I did that. I don't know.
It might have been Jordan, honestly. Thank you, Jordan.
Yeah, I think so.
So it's indication, correction, and continuation, ICC. I've honestly never heard of that, honestly.
Indication, continuation, correction. I mean, I feel like I've heard of ICC, but I wasn't exactly sure what it was. I mean, I would assume that concept uses divergence to some extent between pairs. But if not, then the other thing you can do is just like just like react to that first breakout that usually catches you. Like, so if you're looking to take an entry, but like you also expect that you might get caught in a breakout, like you could wait and then take a later entry.
Exactly. Yep. Just wait for the trend to confirm the reversal, or or
Yeah,
that you're continuing in the direction, and then just take a little bit of a late entry.
yeah. You might get like a lower risk reward, but you'll have a higher probability on it.
Exactly. Yep. B. I think we're headed towards previous day low, in my opinion. This SMT at London low might give us a little trouble at market open, but I think draw is previous day low.
Yeah, I mean, London High, there's an SMT there. Yes, might just be lagging on the move down. I do think we just come lower. We just come lower. Yes, that also like inversed a gap on the way up, and then like it's like we're basically made like a reclaim gap on ES on the hourly, so like a bearish gap.
Okay.
So that S&T closed back above, and then like we closed back below ultimately. That like 1 a.m. gap. So basically, the S&T at the top is what's holding right now.
Yeah. I like that S&T at the top, honestly. I just drew it in. I really do like it. I really do think, though, that this is a market maker sell model, honestly.
Yeah, I would think the same, honestly.
It's Wednesday, midweek. Anyone got any plans for the weekend they're doing? Anyone going anywhere fun?
Hmm.
So, DMP, remember how I was in a bunch of different countries last year? In the
Yeah.
So, my dad has a group of like police friends that he was in the police department with, and that he's still friends with after all these years, and they're still
Mhm.
stationed in a bunch of different countries. So last year, a few of them got stationed in London. So like we took a boys'
Mhm.
trip to London. We did a few days before. So guess where they're getting stationed this year, and we're taking a trip to?
Probably fucking like Japan.
Bro, we're going to fucking Israel, bro.
Oh, bro's not coming back.
I'm so excited though, bro. So like the way that they do it, they go to Tel Aviv, they visit like Jesus' tomb, they go to the Red Sea, the Dead Sea.
Mhm.
They go on a bunch of different things. It's actually dope. It's a full like like you see everything in Jerusalem and Tel Aviv.
That's pretty sick, actually.
So sick. Christian, we really only look at the indicator from 9:30 to 11. So at 9:30, I'll zoom in onto the 1 minute. You could watch it on the 1 minute. Yeah, I'm super stoked for that trip, though. I really am.
Yeah, no, that's gonna be sick for sure.
What indicator is that? If you go into the top right and go to the search button and then click create, click insert indicator and then type in session liquidity. It's this one right here by taking profits. Session liquidity by taking profits. Saint, that's the indicator. No problem. The session liquidity indicator, yeah, it's free. If you look up session liquidity indicator, it's free on TradingView. Yeah, I trade MMX. I think we're in a sell model going down to previous day low. Previous day low. Show previous day low, high too. This is previous day low right here. I want us to come draw towards this. What up, Migs? How's it going, bro? Nice to see you in here again. What are you looking to see? I'm looking to see shorts. I want to see bearish down to this blue line down here, sitting at 218ish, around there. What up, Danny? How's the weather in Florida today? Is it still cold down there?
Let me actually see. It's 50 degrees right now.
Jeez.
Mhm.
It's 27 here. Feels like 19.
Jeez, yeah, I think last night was like maybe like 30 something.
That's insane. Wow.
Reasons.
I might take a short on stream. We'll see. After 9:30 opens, I'll zoom in onto the 1 minute so you guys can get a closer look, and then we'll see how it goes from there.
Mhm. Go that 15-minute above now.
Oh, good catch. Yeah, probably see us come and manipulate that in at market open, or even a gap
Yeah,
S&P.
possibly. Yeah,
That would be perfect scenario.
I agree. Mhm.
If you go into the indicator right here, right, all the way up at the top left, and then you scroll to the middle of the indicator or towards the end of the indicator, the three dots, it says more. Click more, and then at the top it says add alert on IFEG. You're gonna click that, and then once you're inside of this window, every single minute that you want the alerts for. So if you want it for the 1 minute, the 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, whatever, 15 minute, you got to individually click, all right, 1 minute, create, go back in, create a 2 minute alert, create a 3 minute alert, and so on and so forth for every single time frame that you want an alert for this indicator to populate. Yeah, the indicator is for purchase. You have to check our pinned video if you want to purchase the indicator. But yeah, it's for sale. It's not for free, unfortunately. I use it on the 1 minute. Yeah, I'm trading today, Benji. If we get a trade, I'll definitely be taking it live here. Yeah, they actually pay out. We are an affiliate, but I got these payouts before becoming an affiliate with them. These payouts are from October of last year. You bought the indicator? Nice, bro. Let me know how it works for you. Let me know how you like it. Alright, we're inside of this 15. Technically gap SMT in here. Let's see what happens from it.
Watch into the opening.
Yeah, I still recommend using a little bit of due diligence with the indicator. I mean, it will alert you all the A+ setups that you would take by hand, but then it will alert you some, bad setups that you wouldn't take if you were just watching the charts. So still highly recommend using human discretion behind every one of the trades.
Yeah, I'll just watch this 15-minute until the open, see what happens.
Yep.
What's going on?
What up, Rob?
What's up, bro?
Not too much. I'll open up these shorts now. How we looking?
Start flipping down.
I think I'm leaning towards bearish for today. Definitely want to see us confirm that bearish sentiment. Do you know why you were banned from Apex? Someone's asking.
I just made too much money.
Yeah, made too much money, printed too much. Do we have PMI today?
We have some 10 a.m., but I don't think it's PMI. I think it's. Oh, it's like ISM services. Yeah, PMI.
Oh, it is PMI. I didn't think it was PMI, but damn.
That's at what 10. Let's see.
Yeah, 10. SMT is built in, yes. This SMT I hand drew in. I have the indicator off right now, but it is built in. Nah, probably won't do much, but it'll offer us a data high to data low trade that we could possibly take.
Yeah.
The Discord, if you just click the link in our bio and then click join free Discord, you can join the free Discord.
There's an unfilled hourly gap at 418 for NQ at least.
That would be in discount of this range.
Yeah. See if this 15 holes into the opener flips.
Yeah, if you click the link in our bio on the TikTok and then click join free Discord at the top of your screen, it'll bring you to our WAP page where you can just input your email and you can get into the Discord for free. My session indicator isn't showing the Asia highs and lows. You might have to go into the indicator and add show mitigated levels. Yeah, I think Tradeovate is down as well, honestly. A lot of people are having some issues. Got a good amount of people in here today too, fellas. Can we take this 15-minute CISD post SSMT? Let me check the 15-minute CISD. Are you talking about right here, Doomer? With this fair value gap overlap? Or are you talking all the way up here? Yeah, we're looking strong here. Wow.
Yeah.
It possibly would make sense because of the SMT LN and lows.
Yeah, it looks like we'll close this 15 off the open.
Yeah. Alright, market open, fellas. We're inversing this 15-minute fair value gap. We do have a 1-hour fair value gap right above, so keep that in mind, fellas.
see. That is a strong ass question.
Wow. That's a crazy 1 minute candle.
Yeah, no, it is. See if we can get some in the previous day. This shit just plummets
Don't
again like
tell
yesterday.
me.
I'm gonna be so pissed.
Yeah, don't tell me, bro.
Hold
You
on.
just plummet.
Oh,
Oh my god,
Oh, yeah.
bro.
Go in!
Oh, it's another one of those days.
There's no
Another
way.
one of those days.
Bro. Are they dead ass?
Bro. That's so fucked.
I'm not gonna lie.
120 points, jeez.
That's actually
Such a clean draw, bro. Oh my god. So ass, guys. So ass.
that is like the only way to catch something there is chasing price. But I just cannot. I'm not like so insane.
Wow, that's ass, fellas. I'm not gonna lie. That is so ass. We wanted that going into market open, and just unfortunately no entries.
No entry whatsoever. Truthfully, that previous day low is gonna get ran.
Yep.
Jesus. I mean, there's a lot more draws lower, but like, I just wanted to take something to that. Oh man,
Wow. I can't believe this, dude.
160 points down just off the open, just rips down.
Jesus, dude.
Oh man. That 930 gap is 70 points wide.
That's insane. Yeah, trade evades down.
Might open up first presented right here.
Yeah, just tap first presented. I only see the live buttons. I'm not sure what you mean. If you click the link in our bio and then it's literally the top button. It's just, you'll see join free Discord at the top of your screen. Yeah, they're diverging. Nice amount right here. Let's see though. I'm gonna check the lower time frames. Is there anything on the lower time frame? 15 seconds. It's not really.
I was looking for that 15 second, but just missed it. I just wanted to see it tested, but didn't get that.
Ideally, if we're gonna go for previous day, it would be out of this retrace for that week.
That's unfortunate. I wanted that. Let's see if it comes back up to it.
Lucas, it's not an actual link. It's like a button. You'll see at the top of our screen. Just click join free Discord. It's not an actual link. It's like a button.
For this bigger gap above, I think we have a big 2 minute we just tapped right now. Off of that high.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hard to even get a decent RR trade out of this area. Unless you target much lower than previous day. Next draws.
I wonder if this 15-second delivers us. I don't know, we didn't even get it there.
Yeah, barely.
I wanted to see ES take that 6 p.m. low where that SMT is to get rid of that like bullish SMT at the bottom here.
Mhm. Buys now. I want to wait for some more confirmation before just buying.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's crazy. Jeez, bro. They're just cooking everyone, bro. Everyone that's trying to chase price right now.
Yeah, I couldn't even like frame a short even to previous day without like risk to reward being fried.
Exactly, yep.
I just waited. Not the strong buy up though.
That is a really strong buy. Wow. I'm just, dude, again, bro, we fucking edged this low. Like, what is that?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean that's a crazy edge right there. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie.
You know, that's stupid. It's just retarded. Let me see where these fibs line up now. New York aim high is golden pocket of the range that we just put in.
Gotcha.
Let's see if we
We do have
turn
SMT at the top with ES. Like ES is just ripping
Oh,
through everything here.
yes, you're right. Damn. I'm from New York. DMP's from Florida. Lucas. Yeah, trade evade's down, guys. You're not going to be able to log into it.
Let the day trade if it goes down
Cancel.
when we just make a hard move down or up.
Yep. They know, bro. Up $800. Good work,
No
bro.
idea what's going on.
Good shit.
SMT still holding at
Shit,
the
waiting
top.
for the reaction.
Yeah, hopefully Jordan. There's a bunch of people that are honestly having issues right now. I'm surprised that yours is working. Another
Just
buy.
inside this huge 1 minute gap.
Tap the first presented for value out there. The inverse.
Gee.
Can't even tell what this is anymore.
Nah, this is just looking garbage right now. We gotta wait for one of these sides to break. One of the New York aim highs or lows gotta break.
Yeah, right now we're not correlated. We're at the moment running off of that SMT at the bottom
Mm-hmm.
right now. The only draw higher for NQ that would make sense if we're going higher is that 1 hour gap fill
Yep.
at 418.
Opening
In my
range gap
opinion.
equilibrium sits right below that as well. So I could definitely see this coming up there.
Yeah, I agree.
You're getting
See what
errors
happens.
while placing errors. That's weird. Honestly, I'm not even touching trade of it. I'm just on paper and tops up if I take one.
We're like just super in between right now. ES isn't really correlated, like top and bottom, or we have divergence on both ends on this leg. If NQ comes and takes like the high of day out, we get rid of the SMT. At least the recent one at the top.
Yeah. Bissy should hold. Almost 150 people on TikTok. That's retarded.
Jeez. We get so many people, but then like the market does this. Like there's
I
nothing
know.
like banger like to take. Unfortunately.
It's honestly a good thing though, you know.
Yeah, nah, for sure. I was
Yeah,
hoping
no,
NFP would have gave us like a data high and low, but NFP did like nothing. The candle didn't even look like a news candle.
really? I didn't even check, honestly.
Yeah.
SMT at these internal lows. This 15-second actually is going to be really good. It's going to deliver us.
Yeah, that last stop was kind of crazy. I think.
It should be good.
Might
Right
deliver
here.
us into that hourly.
Yeah. Low-key would have been a break even.
Yeah, I don't like this range we're building here.
What up, Alex? English.
We did edge that previous day low like crazy. That's actually insane.
I know. I can't believe it, dude. I actually can't believe it. Yeah, this 15-second delivered. I wonder if the indicator alerted it. Let's see.
SMT. But
Had the long at the bottom, not here.
yeah, another one we are. Oh, you mean from the bottom, like the 930, like
Yeah.
930 range?
Yeah.
Of SMT at like high of day and everything.
Made equal highs. Just took out. Just made another SMT at internal highs.
Yep.
30-second on ES
Screw that.
flipped. But
We have it's pre-market high and ES at 830 high. It's kind of like relative equal highs almost. Honestly, I do want to see us come back to that previous day low.
I do too. I want to still see this as a sell model.
It's the only actual
That's
draw
what
that
I'm
makes
looking
sense here.
Yeah, stolen TP was hit. It was equal highs we made.
should have just manipulated. Still reacting to like a really small order block at 9:29 before the drop.
Yeah, it just looks like we're like
but I didn't get
starting to like build a range here. Okay.
Yeah. I just need a good short.
Nah, Erwin, if I see another trade, I will definitely let you guys know and alert it. I just haven't seen anything really that good. I mean, there was that 15 second that was pretty decent. I didn't end up taking that, but TP fully hit. I was just like, live trading that one, or not live trading, like live calling that one out. But yeah, if we see another entry, I will definitely take it 100%. I hate this range, bro.
Yeah, this range is not really like, there's nothing clear yet. I think we do have to wait for one of the sides to get taken and then see like what trend we form. I think from here, I think we're just going to seek and destroy up and down until we correlate.
Agreed.
I do think it makes more sense to target like previous day low as a draw today than higher, but we'll see. Like even Top Step's platform is kind of buggy, like freezing and stuff too.
They're trying to nerf us, bro. Yeah, Tradeovate seems to be down. Cole and George.
We just have that 10 a.m. news.
Yeah. Are you gonna be trading PMI? I think today is not PMI.
No, it is. It's like ISM PMI. Are there two different like PMI reports?
I think there is, but
I have no clue, to be honest.
then I might be honestly completely wrong. Either way, yeah, we'll be trading through 10 o'clock news.
Yeah.
London lows SMT. Yeah, I definitely do see the London lows SMT, but I see this SMT up here, and this as a market maker sell model with the draw on liquidity being previous day low. So I want us to draw towards it, but it's not looking pretty good right now. I don't know.
Bro, I know mad people are getting blended up right now.
Oh yeah.
Honestly, I kind of told myself I won't take anything once we edge this fuck out of previous day low.
Yeah, no, me too. I was gonna take the flip back down, and I just knew we were gonna get hoed.
Yeah, nah.
W discipline. You got 150 people in front of you right now, Tomei. What do you want to say?
Shout out to the big BB.
Oh God, bro. Yo, did I tell you where I'm going? Like for my trip this year?
No.
Take a guess.
I think I have a few spots in mind.
It's I'm going to meet up with the big BB.
Pack your tiny hat.
Nah, I am going to Israel though this summer.
That's fire.
I'm excited. How was January for all of you? January was honestly one of our worst months.
January sucked.
Yeah, January was,
January was mid.
a lot of consolidation. SMT put in at the top. Let's
Yeah.
see if this one finally delivers us.
I'm in on the 30-second. It's 25, 363.75. Hit it and reacted like, what, 4 different times. Would not go through. Hopefully this plays out.
Yeah.
See what happens. We're kind of in a range right now.
Yeah. Don't love it, but I'll take it anyways.
I'd love to get some set of the previous day low, but we keep building a barcode. Fuck that.
Yeah.
We're not even making gaps.
I mean, jeez, bro. Man, I love my job. Love watching paint dry.
Right?
Just tap the 5-minute. Dude, I love the. Oh wait, no. I do love the addition of the unmitigated fair value gaps, but I think it is a little buggy.
Oh, the indicator.
Yeah.
It's probably just hard to like get them in real time as they form and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, it is buggy because it doesn't update once it gets mitigated again.
Yeah.
Finally making our way down. Stay low.
Yep. About 90 points waiting for that last little flush. Hopefully it doesn't react to this 30-second right here. It's about to tap.
We should flush it here, but
Just hit it.
yeah.
I tried to jab short too.
Yeah. There we go.
Great fucking trade, Rob. Insane, dude.
Can we get some follow through NQ? I like this momentum the
30 more
previous day,
points.
so I took the 952 close, and then my stop is at that unfilled 1 minute. That's like a breakaway.
Mhm.
So like we shouldn't come back there if we're gonna just run down here for the draw. The way it looks. We'll see though. If I get retraced on, I wouldn't doubt it.
Are you all out, Rob?
No, I'm waiting for
Pretty soon.
218. Yeah.
I'm about to get retraced on crazy.
Yeah, hopefully
I
not.
think we just made an SM2. Yeah, so ES took.
But we do have another order block right here, so let's see how that reacts.
Yeah, my stop's at that breakaway we had. So if we come up there, I'm stopped out of this. Starting the previous day low, and then that low of day. We got some T there though.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just gonna blast through my stop. Jesus Christ.
Wow.
Jeez.
I mean, I waited till we got some momentum down, and then I still get caught. That's actually filthy. I mean, sheesh.
Wow. That SMT fucked me too.
By the time I noticed it, we were up like 60 points off the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
But
At this point, it retraced so much, I'm all or nothing on it. I'm still breaking even.
Yeah, it's edging my stop.
I followed that thing down to like 115 points, and I didn't. Yeah, it is what it is. All or nothing on this one.
Look at that, they're trying to tease my entry now. We have a gap SMT. That 1 minute. I don't think it's that
Got
significant.
one more 30-second right above at 323. So might just put a stop right above that.
I don't know why they can't just blast us through previous day low. It's the second time we come down to it and edge. Someone called Jerome Powell, bro.
For real.
Tell him to come back. We need him. All right, if we take out this internal low that we had just made, I'm going break even. If I get the chance. Because my stop got edged by 2 ticks. They heard me. It's over.
This might be the one.
They actually heard me. Like if we come back and just flush back to these internal lows, and previous stage is gonna get spiked through. Keep rejecting it. So I'll go break even there.
Nice.
Thank God.
And
Give me the fuck up.
come on. Come on. Show me something.
Oh, get me off, bro.
Flush it.
Yo,
Right
Jen,
there. I'm
like,
so close. I
You don't
promise.
understand. Like my stop was at 315, and then that
Don't
955 candle comes right to it. Can't do that.
Jeez, bro.
bro, don't piss me off.
Flush it.
What is come on. Come on. You're kidding me.
There's no way, bro.
Please, NQ.
Oh, bro, they're gonna run it back up.
No,
Jeez,
no.
there we go. Bang. 145 points. Let's go.
That's insane.
Sure.
Let me guess. Now they're just gonna run it clean. It's gonna be just free for the downside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm holding to 179.
So,
I have my full
That's fine.
TP.
messy.
I'm trailing tight here.
Only 8 points to draw down. Fire.
Well, there's a half pass, but at what cost?
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, my stop loss got edged by like 2 points too, bro.
I mean, it's like I guess at least like my stop made like our stop made sense in that case. But it's like, why the fuck are we coming up all the way to our fucking to almost break us out?
Yeah, that was crazy.
The only thing that saved, like we had like a gap SMT there is the only thing that
That helped
I
us.
saw that saved us.
Yeah.
And then a 2 minute gap was there. I guess in hindsight, I could have waited for that 2 minute to form, but like, bro, knowing my luck, I wait for that to form and we never go back. And now we're just gonna go through every draw
Yeah.
free.
wow. Let's go, fellas.
No.
I mean, fuck, at least we all won. We're done. This shit is ass. Well, not really, not anymore, but next draw is 142.
I don't even
about
know
to
what I'm-
slam. 142 and 095.
11:42.
We are just flushing now. Holy fuck.
Wow. Should have held.
Could go all the way down to
Oh, that's news
024
candles. Apparently, I guess.
or 027, whatever that is.
Didn't realize that didn't look like a news candle because it looks like every other fucking candle.
Oh yeah, that is news shit.
I have draws all the way down to 025, like that are just stacked on top of each other. So I think we're just gonna truly run out with this
Yeah.
low resistance on the high time frame now. I mean, even if I wanted to hold, I couldn't. I'm on evo, so it would have been good to hold though. Would you take the 15-second flip?
Me.
Yeah.
I took after we like displaced past the first presented fair value gap, I just had my limit entry at the 1 minute fair value gap, the super tiny one at like 281.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And then my stop was that that 1 minute fair value gap right above it.
Yeah, that was where I put mine.
Yeah, I wanted to see that as a breakaway.
Yeah, almost broke us away.
Dude, almost broke us down, bro.
My fist almost would have gone through the monitor. That would have been some bullshit.
W.
But the thing is, I would have waited for that to get retested. Then when the 952 candle closed, I was like, that's probably not happening when the
Mhm.
draw's right there.
All right, everyone. It's our favorite time of the day. Hyman, just come onto the stage, pull up your screen, share your executions.
Bro, I already took a gold trade in the morning today.
How was it?
Yeah, I won on that. I did like lost the 2 minute inverse on Nasdaq yesterday.
Okay, yeah, I remember.
Yeah, I took that. So I just took, bro, gold is actually so good. Like,
It is, bro. You've been taking like one micro.
no, today I actually, I think I took 3 micros today.
Okay, gotcha. D, nah, the indicator didn't actually alert any setups, which is crazy. It's good. It's a good thing. 2 days in a row, no indications from the indicator.
Okay, let's see how this reacts to this 1 minute here. Might take another stab for that 025 point. See the reacting to this gap or
Good stuff for hands. Yeah, if you had patience today, you definitely got rewarded. Remember what the saying is, patience pays, fellas.
You know, one thing I realized that's fucked on the 50Ks. If you want to pull port to half pass, like 2 minis is too much and 1 is too less. And I'm not going on micros for 15 micros.
You're saying for top set?
Yeah, like 2 minis is too much, and then 1 mini is not enough.
Wait.
like for the combines when it comes to half passing, like ideally 2 minis to catch like a scalp, but then where your stop goes is like fried. But if you take 1 mini, you have to hold for like a much bigger trade.
So I do my evals completely different. So you take like a max position of 2 minis, right?
Yeah,
When I'm on my evals, bro, I'm throwing 5 minis on.
I mean, that's what I used to do when the ranges were like 30, 40 points. Now it's like, bro, you throw 5 minis and a little 10-point spike on the 1 minute gets you shit on.
So low key, bro, what I do is I'll go into the settings of Top Step and I'll put it to 1600 or whatever, and then right when I see my A+ setup, I'll just full port the 5 cons. And like you need just a small little move, but you know if it's an A+ setup and you're waiting for it, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's valid.
I'm about to tap this 5 minute. See what happens from here.
Yeah,
here we go.
we are still just S&T'd a lot at the bottom here. Now we're at like on the higher time frame. We have like more clear S&T. ES. I don't know what the ES refuses to dump like Nasdaq. Like, look where previous day low is for ES compared to like where we are on NQ.
Yeah, that's crazy. Still like what, 30 points, 20 points away. Oh, more
Yeah,
than that
like
actually. Yeah.
we took a pretty good move out of ES to get there, which is like if ES is lagging, Nasdaq's going to hell.
You're right.
Previous week low sits at, I think that's 025, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 025 for previous week low, and then there's this previous month low at 887.
Alright, I'm in one more short.
There's a 072 draw, 981. Honestly, we have a lot of draws lower if we continue to stay weak, but you just want to see what price wants to do here.
50-point stop, 150-point target. Let's do it. Which low is this? This is like January 20 something. Jeez. Alright, let's see what happens. I'm gonna break even right at this last swing low.
And then it's like, honestly, bro, these reclaim gaps keep happening. Like that 15-minute we inverse off the open, we close it back below, and then use it again to go lower. Stop. Flip up, flip back down, come back. S&T's all up here, and then just plummet, I guess. This right here is garbage, though.
Yeah, no,
What
it's
is
garbage.
this? Cooked.
So for everyone watching the stream, we did get an alert here. This is on the 32nd. I wouldn't really take this though because we are inside of a 5-minute fair value gap. If we flip this 5-minute, then you could potentially look for a long, but this is what I'm talking about, using some sort of human discretion within the trades, because we could easily hold this 5-minute fair value gap, project out of it, and then continue lower.
Yeah.
This would be definitely, a move that a lot of people that trade ICT fully mechanically would take, but will get burned if it rejects out of the 5-minute. Does the indicator put to go long or short? Yeah, so like this blue line right here is telling you to go long, but I wouldn't recommend you taking the signal if I were in your guys' shoes. Very could well play out, but it's really not the best trade just because of the 5-minute.
Okay.
Yeah, so Robbie, if you took this, you'd be break even at this point. Nah, it pops up on every time frame that you're on, but like, so this is a 30-second entry. If you're on the 1-minute, it won't show you the 30-second entry, but it'll show you like the 1-minute entry. So like on the 1-minute, you can see this is a different setup. This is an A plus. This is an A setup. But yeah.
5-minute close edge to not inverse.
Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, see this fair value gap that we're inside of right now, we could totally respect it and then, close this 30-second and then just...
Yeah, we definitely could. Yes, it is sitting inside of like this hourly gap right now. Bullish hourly. After that S&T.
But if you check our pin video, you can purchase the indicator there. Yo, what's up, JD? Yeah, it's just crazy strong reaction.
Next draw's at 07 lower.
We just got
20
the 30
CVS
second.
aligns. The
We-
flip.
Yeah, we got the
30-second inverse.
30-second inverse. See, this is something that I would potentially take. Break even at this unmitigated fair value gap right here. TP1 at this low right here, and then TP2 at this low right here. Oh wow. Got
Jesus Christ.
destroyed. Jeez. Wow. I mean, that was a good trade, honestly. 5
Look good
minute.
after the 5 minute didn't close.
Yeah,
Flip
5
down
minute. 5 minute held, remanipulate the highs in the 5 minute. 30-second flip. I'm surprised.
I'd probably take it if the 1 minute flips down there, like below. It'd be something I would take if the close is decent enough.
Yeah, that's valid actually, yeah. I'm surprised that 30-second failed though, honestly. Didn't even get a lick of profit.
Yeah.
Like he doesn't want to close in either direction. This shit is crazy.
As far as Apex goes, you need a minimum of 7 trading days, and you can't make more than 30% of the 3K in one day. I should have went with Top Step. Nah, so if you're like, alright, so you got to think about it like this. The total profits to build the buffer and the amount required for the payout is roughly 55K, right? It's like 54 or 6 or whatever. So if you just get to 55K, and then you follow the 30% consistency rule, so like just don't make more than like $1,000 in a day. It's you got to take the total profits and then look at the 30% consistency rule, not like every single day. For Apex evals, you can full port them and pass them in one day. So there's no rules or anything. Yeah, the Apex trailing drawdown is a little difficult. It is trailing drawdown. So you gotta, well, are you on a 50K account? If you're on a 50K account, then the like the minimum requirement, yeah, 50K. So it's gonna be like roughly 55K. It's like 2,100 plus 20 or 2,600 plus 2,000 for the payout, for the max payout.
Oh.
So
Stupid.
54.6 is what you would need to get to. If you take 54.6 and then times that by 30% in your calculator, that's the max that you can make per day.
It's that big ass 1 minute bearish order block. That's what it keeps on reacting to.
Yeah, seeing that.
I'm in short on it. A little risky, but I think that's why it keeps on playing this out of this 5 minute gap.
Just when I thought
This
that
is
the
one of the
market
trades that could dead ass go
couldn't
either
fry me
direction.
anymore. Robin has the audacity to tell me Google reports earnings today. Like,
Oh,
bro,
God.
get the fuck out of here.
It's a pretty big stop. I'm in too deep.
Does
Fuck
Google
it,
beat
it is what
earnings?
it is.
You guys know each other in real life?
Who?
Rob and you, DMP?
Oh, no.
No.
Nah.
Nah.
All right, NQ, we're building a barcode. What do we get if we scan it? Free evals?
This is not great. I don't know if I should just get out at this recent low or take it all the way to that 025. Actually, I'll scale out if it goes that way.
Yeah, for right now, it just looks weird. We'll have to see like which side we choose out of this small range we're making.
Yeah. probably should have took it just because it's only.
I mean, we are holding that 5 minute. Like we're stalling the 5 minute to go lower, ideally. So like, I'd want to see us start to fail up here at some point.
Yeah. Oh, I might just go balls to the wall, man. Fuck it. It's a bear. Okay, it's a bearish order block and a bearish FVG. I think this makes sense for how I trade. So that's the only reason why I'm in.
Yeah, it's valid.
Yeah, if you guys are having difficulty with trailing drawdown, I'd recommend going to Top Step. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's better.
Drops at the top of the order block. Looks like it wants to go lower in 15 points in profit. Yeah. Got a 94-point stop. This is hectic.
Yeah, this
It is a
range
2 to
screen is
1
definitely
all the way to OC. Yeah. I got in off of a pretty big, like the 10, 12 candle bearish, a little deep. So I was like, fuck it, let me get in. But
Yeah, that close wasn't bad.
tapped that
For the
order
5
block so
minute.
many times, I could have just put a limit order there. But
Yeah,
I just can't wait to break even. That's all I care about right now. This is it's a big one here.
we have to close this 1 minute. I think we can go lower.
Yeah. Relax yourself.
Relax yourself is crazy.
Yeah.
I'm weak. If you want to learn how to use the indicator, I recommend looking up Dodgy's YouTube. He has a full-blown breakdown of the indicator guide on his YouTube. If you wanted, you could also click the link in our bio and click join free Discord at the top of your screen, and then I could teach you how to do it within our own free Discord.
An 025. This setup, I'd probably de-risk this setup honestly, just because we've been ranging, but that 5 minute has been holding kind of as like
Might
resistance.
de-risk
So.
it though. Might de-risk at these highs at 262. It's like leaning lower. It cuts my risk in half actually. Yeah, let's do that.
How many funded accounts
Yeah,
you use
like
at a
Up
time?
there was not.
You could use a lot of funded accounts per time.
On this short, I would ideally go break even at that 10:05 1 minute candle that doesn't have a wick at the bottom. There's like slight S&T ES internally.
Okay, this.
Snack gap.
Oh. You're still targeting the 025 or the 026, whatever it is.
Yeah, there's 072 and then 025 is previous week low. This paper entry is gonna get ran through.
I might just go all the way to this It's a big stop. I don't love it, but I might have to do it.
How many do you manage? Manage Top Step, Take Profit Trader, and Tradeify. DMP was copy trading 20 Apex accounts, but they eval banned him. Long after the 5-minute inverse, maybe.
What are
I'm still in
these
these,
candles, son?
I'm in these on paper still, but this likely gets stopped with how we're reacting.
Yeah. Jeez.
Should stop. Yes, took out the internal highs. I think he looks strong too though here. Ran. The actual entry for that would have been the 1 minute like flip down. We didn't actually get that.
No, actually today there was 0 entries. The indicator didn't give any entries whatsoever, which is a good thing. You know, we want it to be as picky and as precise as possible. So we don't want to give you, you know, a bunch of garbage setups that will present it. That like, you know, that we just want to sell you an indicator for. We want this indicator to be actually good. So even down on the 15-second I'm sitting on, like we don't have any entries on the 15-second.
Tight break even, just to get out of here.
Yeah, it's valid.
Did you get stopped on that short DMP?
Yeah, on paper, yeah.
Fuck.
I just put the trade that I took on you guys. Set what's that? 7. Trade.
Wow.
There we go.
Wow.
Just pull my stop down. Like 40 points just got stopped out.
Yeah, we just got super choppy at the
I
bottom.
didn't trust that super high. I mean, it still looks. I don't know. I don't know if I was being a little pussy right there by moving the stop down.
I mean, no, it's just like we're just starting to
Because
range.
it's just the order block is just massive, so it just didn't make sense. And it
Yeah,
might
no.
just fly through it right now. And if
Just
it
build a
doesn't,
huge
I'm gonna be
range.
pissed off.
I'm not gonna lie,
Just
gold
hit
looks good right now.
just hit the equilibrium on that. But and we definitely just closed above that 5 too, so now it doesn't look as good.
Do you usually trade the 15-second? I'm usually trading the 1 minute and lower, so 1 minute, 30-second, 15-second. But I'm just sitting on the 15-second, just looking for any entry that the indicator could possibly alert. But there's been nothing. It gave a long actually signal right here, but I told you guys not to take it because there was a 5-minute fair value gap that we were inside of that we didn't know if we were gonna close. But it did alert actually a 1 minute fair value gap. This inverse right here, break even at this internal fair value gap right here. I could show you guys actually in replay mode real quick the entry. So we take our previous day low right here. We flip down. I bet you that we're inside of some fair value gap. Let me just wait a second. Wait for it to populate in the top left. Oh wait, it's not on. My bad. So with an on, it's populating in the top left. We should be inside of a high time frame fair value gap. We swept out internal range liquidity, external range liquidity being this previous day low. We had this inverse fair value gap right here. It's still populating. Yeah, so we had this entry right here. You would have went break even at this internal unmitigated fair value gap right here, TP1, TP2, and you can see that you would have been break even on this trade, unfortunately, and then it would have ran to TP1. But this is good though, you know. We wanted to show you that. I wanted to show you that, you know, this was an A setup, and it could have, you know, potentially played out, but unfortunately, this was just a break even for today.
That's twice the loss. All right. A 50-point stop. What is this shit?
Is anyone else looking for any other trades? Does anyone want to go over any trades? Start opening the chat to questions.
Now that we've got a uptrend, I'm looking for a reaction to one of these bullish 30-second order blocks down below, which is about to tap into one of them now. And my target would probably be the highs at 390 or 390.
Gotcha.
But it's inside of a 1 minute order block, but I want to see if it touches that 30-second. If it doesn't, it's better RR if I get that 30-second tap, but that's what I'm looking for.
So we do again.
It's a long way up if I get tapped into. Yeah. This might be the move. This price action is just funky as hell.
Yeah, definitely not ideal right now.
Yeah. Okay, there it is. See how this reacts. I'll give it bullish engulfing. Oh shit.
It just whips on now.
Yeah. Yeah, still doesn't look great. Just close below that order block, so that does not matter anymore. Unless I'm counting this one back here.
Yeah, this
I don't
is.
know, man.
Anyone in Discord or TikTok have any questions? I think someone asked a question in the Discord chat about the indicator.
Hello, quick question. I came from TikTok and I'm wondering, how do you get the indicator where it tells you if it's an A+ setup, how many contracts to use? Yeah, so if you hover your mouse over the entry, like right here, it'll display the grade and then all the confluences that it takes for it. And then also if you come into the settings of the indicator, so up to the top left and then the settings, scroll down to the middle of the indicator, you'll see this right here, contract sizing. So within here, input how much risk you want all of your trades, like the max amount you want to risk per trade, and then where you want the stop loss to be, so the wick, the body, or the inversion. That's up to you. And then so like for instance, this trade right here, we had technically an entry signal right here, and your stop would have been at the inversion, so it would have been like right above this inverse. You could have been targeting like a 1-to-1 or whatever, but you would have went break even at this internal low. So this might have been a break. Yeah, this would have been a break even, but that's exactly how it is. So for the stop loss to be right here at the inversion, it would be 9 contracts equals $350 worth of risk. You have a video showing all of your indicators, not all of our indicators, but we do have a guide for a good amount of the indicators. I'm still working on building out the guide for all of the indicators. If you visit our WAP, you can see indicator guide.
Second might start. And kind of run back lower again. You got these internal SMTs. I'm gonna clear my screen up so it's happening.
Is the indicator free? No, it's not free. Yeah, I mean, I could tell you that real quick. UG, so I look for a high time frame fair value gap tap. Some sort of a manipulation inside of that high time frame fair value gap. So just looking right now, we know that there is an SMT at this internal high right here. If I go into the 15-minute, no 15-minute, let me see 5-minute real quick. There is actually no gap tap here. This was just internal manipulation. So we have an SMT at this high. And then I'm looking for basically a reversal confirmation. So whether that be a inverse fair value gap or a CISD, but the indicator will alert that for you. It alerted a 30-second short here.
Yeah, I'm watching. Since we have some volume coming back, we just have draws lower.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Got one more at me for
Yeah, DJ.
CISD.
The indicator's our indicator. We built it.
See if it pulls back into it.
My internet must be bugging. Charts going in and out. Yeesh.
Yeah, we're displacing to this near game low. Thank you, Biddle. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, no, we tried to make it as clean as possible. We're in the same position as you guys. You know, we trade ICT as well. We trade the IFG strategy as well. So, you know, we know exactly what we wanted to see when making the indicator. So we figured we might as well just make it exactly, you know, all in one, basically. Let's see if we get some reaction out of this fair value gap.
I'm short on paper at 155. We had
Nice.
flip on that 1007 gap,
Nice.
starting getting strong downward. Then I would go break even at that low of day there
But
at
yeah.
107 or 108, and then TP will be 072. My stop's above the inversion at 204.
Got it.
So 1.7 R. Let's see.
Yeah, NPC, we're in here every morning just making money, bro. The strategy win rate, Dodgy claims it to be like an 80% win rate. That's the strategy that I use.
Is my share screen still working? I think so, right?
Yeah.
So-
I do see it up. Yeah, it's working.
Good. See if we come down for this internal low of day. I'd go break even on paper. Yes, it's correlated here. We have S&T internal at the top as well to start the move down.
Damn.
Wow.
The fuck was that?
I said I'll show you S&T. Okay. Yeah. Ran through. Holy.
Wow. Jeez. Nah,
What is
Migs.
going on right now? Okay. Let's-
Nah, Migs. I took my my short earlier today. This one. But I'm done for the day. I'm just forward testing the indicator with you guys. I'm not actually taking any more trades. We're just kind of seeing how the indicator plays out for the rest of the day.
Trump just completed an excellent conversation with President Xi of China.
Wow.
Like, we can't do this, bro. Like, you gotta
in the
chill.
middle of the day, like what is going on?
Discuss trade,
Oh.
military, and an April trip that he will be making to China. Cool. That, I guess, you know,
I know, it's so annoying.
that's my bad. I should have known he was gonna say that, and I should have longed ahead of time. Nah.
Redeem it. Why did you redeem it? Appreciate it, bro. I will not stop, honestly. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I know. In 1 minute, it's crazy. It just screwed over so many different traders.
Well, on the other side, it tapped into my order block, so now I'm in short. Better than I was looking for. I'm breaking even fast as fuck though, because I don't trust this shit at all.
Yeah, YouTube is just our handle name. It's taking profits, but it's spelled PROPHETS. Can you show today's entries? Want to see how the indicator working? Yeah, so today it gave this short entry right here, and then it also gave this long entry right here. Just let the indicator populate it up in the top left. You see the 3 dots loading. Alright, so you can see that we sweep out this external range liquidity, internal range liquidity. We have this previous day low external range sweep that we have. we manipulate inside of this 5-minute fair value gap. We get another internal range liquidity sweep, and then from there we get the 1-minute inverse right here. Now in real time, I told everyone not to take this trade, even though it was an A setup on paper, because we were inside of this 5-minute fair value gap. Now it's hard for us to code that into the indicator, right? So that's why I say you still got to use a little bit of human discretion, but on paper, like this setup did alert in real time. It's loading again. It's a little slow in replay mode. But yeah, no, so this setup did alert itself in real time. We had a sweep. We were delivering from a high time frame fair value gap. We had a volume candle close IFVG, and we had clear targets to target. This would have been the break even spot. This would have been TP1 and TP2. You can see that we instantly took break even, and then we would have moved our stops to break even, and we would have gotten stopped at break even, unfortunately. TP1 would have hit, and then let's see if TP2 hit. No, we had an SMT there, and then we got the second alert towards the downside, so you can just wait a second for the indicator to alert. And then yeah, so this was the second trade idea. Break even at that internal low, and then this one would have edged that low, but it was a good trade. What's your agreement with Dodgy? I'm guessing you wrote code given his initial ideas. Yeah, so like we kind of like wrote the indicator already for ourselves, and then after he stopped working with 2 degrees, we kind of reached out to him, said, hey, you want to check out our indicator? He looked at it, he loved it, tweaked it a little bit, and then yeah, that's it. Where do I get your indicator? If you want, you could click the pinned video on our webpage, on our TikTok, and then you could see instructions there, so you could purchase it. So you gonna buy, bro? Nah, I'm not gonna buy. I'm not taking any more trades today. This is just super seek and destroy.
I mean, yeah, I was just mentioning, like, we took out previous day low and we took out Monday's low. So, like, literally after we did that, we just started stalling. Which, I mean, kind of makes sense. Because, yeah, I mean, if you look at, like, the hourly, it looks like it kind of completed, like, the short-term model, like the distribution down.
Yeah.
Delivered through those sell side draws. That previous day low we edged yesterday, like, that getting taken today too. I feel like now we'll just like cool down. And then for like a flip up, like it needs to be like clear. Like we'll have to break this like small range that we formed.
Let me see your screen. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Like this whole
This whole range.
whole area we'd have to break upwards, and then these highs would have to look more obvious.
Mm-hmm.
But then yeah, I mean on the 4-hour.
It froze.
I swear, yeah, it's like cutting in and out. Let me see. Okay, yeah, then like the 4-hour, we tap the gap, right, swept out these highs, and then delivered down to the draws. So now it's like complete 50-50 in my opinion.
Yeah, I agree. After this
SMTs, yeah, ES SMTs. We have double SMTs at ES at the bottom now as well.
Yeah, only ICT concepts. Erwin, if you want to tell me what to repeat, just tell me. I don't remember what I was talking about, the trade and the indicators.
Someone asked on TikTok, what do you think about the 15-minute chart of ES with the high and the 6:45 a.m. candle? Yeah, that high that we made is what like caused price to deliver down to previous day low, because we made an SMT at that high. That 6:45 candle high took out London. That 2:45 a.m. high was London high, and we took that out. And then if you look at that same candle on NQ, you can see we failed to do so. So we put in an SMT at the top, and then ultimately that SMT started to form the move down the previous day low. The 5-minute ES chart with that fair value gap. 6:45. Like you mean like the flip down on that fair value gap, like us inversing it, or $6.45 candle on the 5-minute chart. I'm just wondering how to trade that. I mean, ideally in that area, like you wouldn't be wanting to trade it because in that area, when you look at what NQ was doing when we were coming up for that high on ES, right? When we saw that candle spike on ES, that made the SMT. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with SMT, but the way it works is like you can see ES take out that high from London, and then you can see NQ not take out that high. So that's called an SMT. It's just divergence in price. So in terms of trading that, ideally what you would want to do is see that manipulation happen and see that SMT form, and then try to find like a confirmation entry towards the opposite end. Um, so like in this case, like it was almost 7 a.m. So you would wait to take the move down somewhere in New York, down a previous day low, ideally. I hope that made sense. But yeah, in terms of trading that, there is really no way to trade like that specific move up. Um, I would be looking at it to see if we make an SMT on the move up with NQ, and then I would actually be looking to take like a move down if we get confirmation.
Guys, if you have any last questions, drop them in the chat. I'm probably gonna spend 5 to 10 more minutes on here and then hop off.
Bro, Trump gave like that little spike up, and then the market went back to doing what it wanted to actually do.
Yep. It's crazy.
But yeah, now this range, I wouldn't entertain this range.
No.
Realistically. Not with any actual risk. I would just forward test. It's not deal.
Let's see what the gold is doing.
Nah, no more trades. That's it. We're done for the day.
Yeah. If anyone else is looking for a trade, I mean, realistically, I would just try to preserve capital here. The main objectives of the day were taken. Ideally, previous day low was our draw, Monday's low as well, because it was right below that. But you can see price like after that dump down through those objectives, we just started to stall. We're kind of just moving up and down within a range, failing to take out highs and failing to take out lows. So just not, it's not price action you want to be in. And like I was explaining on the higher time frame, the higher time frame, technically completed its sell model, at least short term. Tips not to blow more accounts. If you're trading evals and you're repeatedly blowing them, I would say to like risk less on them and actually like take time and only take what's clear. If you're talking about like funded accounts, I mean, same thing, just lower your risk. Ideally, like on a 50K. If you haven't like taken a payout or you're not consistently taking payouts, I would only be risking like 200 or 250 per trade on a 50K. That gives you like, 10 bullets to work with.
Bro, I got bent over on that short.
I caught I caught a scout previously though.
No. I took that trade too. Then I took options on
Oh,
the change of the state of delivery. 1033 candle I enter,
oh yeah.
targeting previous month low and obviously the internal range low. Did you watch that candle print?
The bullish candle?
Yeah. Did you see that
Yeah, it
print
was
out in
a
real time?
yeah, it was a Trump tweet.
Bro, fuck Trump, bro. Seriously. Just keep your fucking mouth shut, bro.
Yeah, it
Like
was
dead
he,
ass,
like
bro. I'm in that short. I'm literally about to trim it like 80% of my position, 75% of my position, and just let the bitch run. And this guy opens his fucking mouth.
yeah, nah, I watched that happen in real time. That
Fucking
candle, and then there was like a pause of his tweets on like the 10:39, and then the 10:40 he tweeted again.
yeah, fucking bro. And guess what? I cut the position obviously because I was down now. And obviously, when you just deposit money into Robinhood, you have the buying power thing. So now I have no buying power, and now it's gonna go run, and now I can't re-enter.
Yeah, no, that's fucked.
Yo, but you
Uh,
know what else is? You know what's sketchy though? Isn't it just crazy how he tweets right when we hit 50% of the 5 minute rejection
bro.
block? Right at 50% of the rejection block, bro.
Trump trades the power strat.
It actually is
Bro.
crazy though.
That
No,
is a
but like
little
that's
wild.
ridiculous.
I mean, all in hindsight, but at the bottom, like we have just huge S&T with ES. ES just isn't as weak at all.
No, of course. But like,
It's just that.
bro,
Uh,
that candle was fucked.
Great ass. Can you show the trade this morning you guys took? Yeah, I'll show you the one I took. It was just on some evals. I took this 10:31 candle close. Actually, wait, no. The fuck is it? No, it's up here. I'm sorry. I took this 9:52 candle close, and I put my stop at this 1 minute gap,
Damn.
assuming it to be a breakaway, and then my TP was 227.50 for the half pass. So like right here, it's like a 1.3 R. Stop got edged by like a couple points right here, and then we delivered down.
Crazy edge.
Yeah, I actually would get edged, not gonna lie.
That's hey. I mean it. ES tapped the gap, which was dope.
That's true, yeah. And I wanted
Right
this
on
to be a
that.
breakaway, especially once like all these other candles form. Like, yeah,
Yeah. Valid.
that was what I took, and I took like a couple paper stabs, but in this range. But like I said, this range is not like really worth entertaining. We literally failed to take this low, and then like we're failing to come up and retake highs, vice versa.
I think we're gonna melt down, bro. I really think that previous month low is gonna come probably today at some point.
Yeah, no, I think
I
objectively,
would
like we're
agree
gonna just
too.
keep going lower.
Yeah.
I think for now we're just cooled down because we took out like the main objectives intraday.
I agree. I really thought after we retrace into the golden pocket, fat rejection there. Then we had the change in the
I think it's
state.
just because we're moving a shit ton point wise, but like it doesn't align with the VIX. Like the VIX is not like elevated for us to be moving like 700 points in a given day or anything like that. It's kind of insane. That's the
Yeah.
other thing too. It's just like really weird conditions at the moment.
It's fucked. And then you have fucking Trump yapping away right at the 5 minute rejection block, bro.
Honestly, like gold overnight has just been really smooth. Top Step just kind of fried people by limiting contracts, but like
Bro,
other than that, it's still really smooth overnight.
Top Step's the devil, bro.
They went from like I don't know 50K. I think your max size on gold is 5 micros now, which is like, if I'm being honest, gold isn't even like right now. It's not moving insane for 5 micros to like take you out or like put you at risk.
Bro, I don't get why they didn't do it when it was like going crazy. Like I don't get why they did it now.
Because they got rinsed, bro.
Yeah, it's because all the everything's hitting them now. Like all the
Yeah.
payouts that are going out and everything are hitting them, so it's
Yeah.
like they have to. I mean,
Dude.
it's really to protect them, bro. If
Yeah.
you're a good trader, you're gonna protect your risk. You don't need them to limit you.
Dude, you also go on like TikTok or Instagram, whatever, at night, bro, and see these people like trading
yeah.
Asia gold.
Mhm.
Bro, these people are putting fucking 3 to 5 minis on and smacking for like 20, 30K trades, bro, on a single 50K account.
Yeah,
They had
shit
to
is
limit.
crazy.
Yeah, they
But you
had
know
to
what's
limit.
crazy though is like how are they doing that? Because if
Well,
you're like
because silver,
2
bro.
ticks of drawdown, you're fucking
yeah.
liquidated.
Bro, silver is weird. I mean, if you go and like collect data on silver, like I could see how like silver literally will print like 5 minute candles just purely upward. Like
So
they're all
what I've-
scalping.
What I've seen a lot of people do is they'll put stop limit orders on silver, like CPI, and then put the automatic bracket for
Oh
like
yeah,
1500,
that too.
and then just continuously enter trades. And dude,
Mhm.
like, you know, you just need fucking, you know, one
The silver
point.
moves super weird. Like you'll
Yeah.
look at the 5 minute, it'll like spike, and then
Yeah.
once the first spike happens, like the next candles just keep spiking and spiking, and then like they'll yeah, like Gene said, he'll just stop by in, and
Bro,
then
honestly, fuck Top Step, alright?
Why, bro? Play the game. If it's set up like this, play the game.
Nah, guys, this is why you trade alpha futures, you gamble Top Step, okay?
I mean, realistically,
I'm
from a business
looking to
standpoint, they
spend
had
fast,
to,
though.
bro. Because like the other thing too is then like you have people who are getting like 100K balances, and then they're like just going through the green days, so they're gonna have at some point like 100K live for no reason with them, and then
Yeah,
they can
but
just take
that
advantage of that.
that doesn't hurt them though, having 100K live.
No, but it hurts them when they take those max payouts 5 times in a row, and it's like a bunch of them doing it.
Yes, but here is the problem. They have their rule where, like, let's say you have 100K, right, balance. If you take a max payout, you have to get back to 100K balance, or you can't request your payout.
Well, yeah, that's why they're full port in gold.
Well, yeah, I guess. Bro, here we go. They're gonna run the low now, and I'm gonna fucking meet you at the nearest bridge. DMP.
Meet me at the nearest bridge.
Bro,
I
just unreal, bro.
don't know. In my opinion, it's just like fuck this range. Like I would want it to look like that leg down if we're gonna go lower.
What up, Carve?
Mr. Carve.
Yo, have you guys heard from FA at all?
Yeah, he
Ah.
texts in this other chat that I met him in always. He doesn't ever text in any chats that we're in.
I just wanted to make sure he was like alive.
Yeah, no, I see him texting all the time in this other chat.
Is he still printing?
I think so, yeah.
Bro, but also low key, dude, do you actually think he's making the money he says he is?
No, I think he's on an unregulated broker, paper trading, all this time.
Bro,
I mean,
he's-
truthfully, I mean, yeah, I mean,
Dude, if he was making fucking $50,000 in a day, consistently pulling in $50,000 a day, you think he's still living in Russia, bro? Like in the
I
heart.
mean, his whole family lives there, though. That's the thing.
I mean, yeah, but like his car that he went out and bought after he had a crazy insane day was like an X5. Was like a 2018 X5. I don't know.
I mean, aren't they way more expensive there?
They are. It would have been like a $70,000 car, which still, yeah, is crazy expensive, but I don't know. And then he said that he gave his M5 away to his cousin because he felt like he felt bad for his cousin or something. I forget exactly what it was.
He's sketch, but he's Russian, so I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
Yo, did we bounce off 50% of that rejection wick now?
I mean, bro, this shit
Bro,
is just,
today
this
was the
is just like,
perfect day. Yo, that inversion though. Did it signal, Jen?
No.
this is a,
Why? Because no
Cup
real
range.
liquidity sweep.
Yeah, no sweet.
look at this, look at the last high we had, right? Failed to take that high, right? Lower high, but then higher low.
Just making a
Garbage.
wedge.
Exactly. Making a fucking saxophone.
Just
a
straight
little, slow
basura.
horn. Yeah. If you take trend line at the top and bottom, draw it out, it's literally a megaphone.
I mean, we had crazy expansion days the past two. Monday
This
was
is true.
so higher, way higher, obviously, but then
I mean, it's just like the thing is, I think like yesterday we moved like what 700 points, but it's like, bro, the VIX has been like under $20. So like, I just feel like if the VIX isn't aligned, like that's just not ideal. Like you can just expect us at some point to just go into some huge consolidation.
valid.
But I mean, on the higher time frame, like we are kind of cleaning up compared to what we were doing in like January. Like we're actually displacing. So
Yeah.
I
What
think
up,
we're just
yeah.
cooling for now.
Thank God, bro. Thank
up,
God
boy?
we're getting.
Yeah,
I mean, honestly, bro, if I'm being real, I just feel like we all kind of just fucked up not recognizing that like indices were complete shit for January and like commodities were just, I mean,
Bro,
just overly
I
free.
was still trading silver. I was just being a fucking dumbass and going back to NQ on some days.
Like, of course,
I would
all in
make
hindsight,
money
but like it's
over.
insane, bro. Like the whole space, like everyone was trading commodities, and then I mean, you could just see that in indices when we just wouldn't move. But that's I guess like a lesson.
Yeah.
All right, fellas.
I think too, silver's is hard to trade compared to gold. Silver moves too hard.
It is definitely. I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna go make some breakfast.
But
Yeah, what you making?
all that's
Eggs and turkey bacon.
Sounds good. How you like your
What's your
eggs?
go-to?
I just put them
Raw.
sunny side. I think it's called. Just
Nice.
put them in the pan with the yolk still intact.
Yeah, yeah. Yo, DMP, here it is. Where you want to meet, bro?
Damn, that is crazy. We're just grinding low here.
Dude, I can't
But it's
believe
like in
that,
reality, there's no entry anywhere here, is there? It really isn't.
No, the only thing you could have taken is like after we inversed it technically like 1050 could have like after we rejected that old 1 minute from like 1007 and closed, you could have entered there or some shit.
Got
Like
chopped out of your
Tyler,
mind.
pull up my screen real quick. I'm gonna just show you guys this, and I'm hopping off. The indicator alerted this setup. This was clean.
hold on, I'm trying to pull it up.
This is on the 30-second, but it also alerted on the 1 minute.
Is that the trade I took? No, it wasn't. Oh,
This
it
is the
nice.
30-second.
Oh, there we go. Low broken.
Yeah.
Fuck Trump, bro. Dead ass. Oh my god, bro.
Which that 30-second close, what time is that? That's is that like 10:50?
This is
God,
10:30 and 30 seconds.
30.
dude.
Oh, okay. I see it, yeah.
I'm actually fucking pissed. I'm devastated. I had 4 contracts too.
Yeah, today was super seek and destroy.
I mean,
Yeah, once we took out previous day
like,
low.
was it though? Like, it really. I feel like it wasn't that bad.
I mean, in the morning, we had the triple SMTs at the top, and then
Right.
finally delivered to previous day low, and then it's just been range bound. There was
Yes.
no like even B plus setup to take, in my opinion.
Yeah, I don't think like there was no
940
entry trigger that was like stand out.
No, I mean I love the 956 candle close. Like I down to
956,
previous day low and then 180. I thought that was super clean. I wanted shorts all morning after we got the displacement.
Yeah, the
know,
956
after-
candle close is honestly the only discretionary entry that I would have recommended for today. But like on
Yeah.
like mechanically speaking, there's no like proper entries today.
Yeah,
No, there's not. But I think that was good. And then to be honest, bro, like the trade that I took, I think is still very good. The second one, after we get the change in the state at 1033, right? We have that manipulation higher, right? We have this little bull flag.
Oh yeah,
whatever the hell you
no,
wanna call
that
it,
was
manipulation.
great.
We
There was an
manipulate higher.
SMT at the highs
Yeah.
too.
Yeah,
Mhm.
manipulate higher into golden pocket, right? Then you end up inversing it, changing the state, clear draw, right? You know, we still have 025, I think is obviously going to get hit. And then waited for changing the state, which I usually don't even ever do. And we start pushing lower.
Wait,
Like,
you
I thought
waited
that
for
was
the
clean
1
trade.
minute change in the state to happen?
Yes.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's far down in the leg.
Wait, no, that's just the 1023 candle.
Yeah, that's kind of far down in the leg. What did you run, a stop loss all the way up to 305?
No, I mean I only took it on. I told you 0 DTEs, so I entered as we were
oh.
displacing.
Gotcha.
Through, so like as we were cutting through like 1033, like half of that candle, and my stop loss was like at 1030 high, and I was going to target, obviously it was going to trim some at low a day because they would have been in the money at that point, and you know that's still a 90-point move, so that's still big. And then I was going to leave like the other 25-30% of my position down to 25,
Yeah.
which would have been a huge move, and that's exactly how it's playing out right now. But I mean, just unfucking believable.
Raz, I think we're all up today. Tyler, are you up today?
Yeah, I took that the short earlier in the morning.
Yeah, so yeah,
The
we're
1026.
all up. I made 1,000 today. Across everything. Small
Big.
day.
I'm gonna fucking kill someone, dude.
Alright, fellas.
I just half fast.
I'm jumping off. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. And
Yeah.
Alright, I'll catch you guys later.
Yep. Alright, fellas. Catch you guys.
Later,
Yeah,
boys.
you know.
Peace out, TikTok.